Lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can see from the title, we're unboxing not a subscription box, beauty box, and this is the Asos January box. Want to see what's inside the Asos January one? Just keep on watching. Lovelies, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Jayca. I'll do beauty videos like unboxing subscription boxes, beauty haul, a lineup, spoiler of subscription boxes, and more. So if you like this kind of video, make sure to subscribe. And also, lovelies, if you already subscribed, thank you so much for tuning in again, and thank you so much for your continuing support. So yes, lovelies, this is the Asos January box. This is not a subscription box, but Asos, they came out always with a beauty box every month, and I was really surprised, lovelies, that this one is available early, and I just checked it online. It's not available anymore. I bought this one on Sunday, I think on Sunday in the morning. When I saw it that it was online, I bought it immediately, and when I was going to post it on my Instagram on the community, it's already sold out. It's just like 2 minutes like that, and I was really surprised. But if this one will be available on the first week of the month, I will post it as soon as I can, lovelies. So this box, lovelies, it costs £12 a month, and plus the shipping fee. It depends where you are, lovelies, and usually the shipping fee, it costs like £3.95, but I always recommend to do the a yearly next day delivery, which is the premium. I will pop in here and in the description box below. It costs £9.99, and you will have next day delivery for whole year. So I always recommend that one. So yes, so this one, it's only £12, and let's see what's inside. I always do my line of products of this box as soon as possible, because, lovelies, they really sell out really quickly. Like sometimes in just one day it's already sold out, or sometimes also in just 2 hours. So it depends, but yes, they never go for 2 days because it's only £12, lovelies, and usually there are full size products in here. So yes, and here it says Go Play Face Plus Body Asos, and here it says the ultimate feel good face body box is here. If there is ever a time or an excuse for some extra TLS, January wins every time, and this year it's even more necessary. That's why this month face and body box has all goodies to help boost your mood. And then yeah, let's see, we have a green tissue paper here, and here is all the product. Let's see each one, lovelies. So the first one that we have in here that I'm really excited, lovelies, when I saw it, I really wanted it. This is not a full size, it's just a deluxe sample size, but I know this one, it's quite expensive. It's an expensive brand. For the price, as always, if I find it online, I will pop in here, lovelies. So this is from LMS, the Superfood Vital Veggie Mask, Nourisher Prebiotic Green Mask. I never heard from this product before. And here it says apply to cleanse skin, remove after 10 minutes. Ingredients are aloe leaf juice, kaolin, glycerin. Glycerin is really good. So yes, and this one has 15 ml only. A dose of your 5 a day. Try LMS Smoothie Inspired Superfood Vital Veggies Mask. It's loaded with all the good stuff to hydrate your skin and give yourself some pampering, because nothing beats a night of indulgent self-care, right? So yes, this is the first one that I'm really excited to try. And then the next one, lovelies, another brand that I really enjoy. I love the toner from this brand. This is from Alpha H, Clear Skin Daily Face and Body Wash with Tea Tree, and this one has 30 ml. So this is the product. So it says an invigorating gel cleanser designed to help treat and prevent breakouts on the face, neck, chest, and back. This wash uses a coconut derivative to naturally create a slight lather to cleanse the skin without foaming. So yeah, so this is the second item. Let's see what it says in here. And here it says the Alpha H Clay Skin Daily Face and Body Wash helps to purify and revitalize your skin, leaving you feeling clean and fresh. So yes, this is the second one. I think this is just a deluxe sample size, but yeah. And then the next one that I'm really excited to try, this is from Neom Organics London Energizing Hand Balm Grapefruit, Lemon, and Rosemary. It's a must right now. And as you can see, lovely, the products is until here. It has 30 ml. And this one, it says 100% natural fragrances to boost well-being. After massaging this nourishing natural balm into your hands, inhale the fragrance to help boost your energy. So let's smell it, lovely. I'm so gorgeous to smell. Oh, smells, it has the citrus smell. Smells nice. And here it says on the leaflet, let me see. It says the Neom's Energizing Hand Balm has all the refreshing ingredients to lift your spirit and look after any dryness during the colder months. Yes, and then we have just empty this product here, and this is from Caudally Vino Pure Lotion Hair Skin Purifying Toner. This one has 50 ml. This is just a travel size, and I just emptied this product. And yes, it's really a nice product. Honestly, didn't see any difference on my skin, in my opinion. Not harsh on my skin. I have quite sensitive skin, so it's not harsh. It's mild toner, so yes, I enjoy using it, but it's not my favorite one. And the last product we have in here, lovelies, and this is from Way, I think, O-U-A-I. I think it pronounced like that. If I'm wrong, I'm really sorry. Wave Spray, and this one has 30 ml. And here it says a weightless texture mist for effortlessly chic and done hair. I never tried product from this brand before. And here it says and finally, give your hair a new year makeover with the iconic Wave Spray, a lightweight mist that brings an instant boost to your hair bounce, shine, and shape. So that's all, lovelies. As you can see, it's empty. So let's do a recap. This one from this is a hair's Wave Spray. Let's smell it, of course. And it smells really nice. Then we have the Caudally, which is, as I said, just up one of these. And yes, it's a good product, but it's not my favorite one. Another product that I'm really excited to try, the Clear Skin Daily Face and Body Wash with tea tree. I'm gonna use this one for my face, but yes, can't wait to try it. And then the other product I'm really excited to try, Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. This one has 15 ml. And then we have the Neom one. I heard the candle from this brand, it smells really nice, so yes, I'm so excited to try. So yeah, we have 5 products in here, all travel size, but all these brand lovelies are the high-end brands, so I don't really mind. For 12 pounds, lovelies, this is really a good bargain. So that's all, lovelies. And as I said before, that if this one will be available on the first week of the month, on the first, second, like that, we'll let you know on my community tab and also on my Instagram, so make sure to follow me there too. So yeah, that's all, lovelies. What do you think of this box? Did you manage to grab one last Sunday too? Because honestly, I was really surprised that they put this box last Sunday. So yeah, try this product before, and are you thinking to purchase this one? Let me know what you think, lovelies, in the comment below. So that's all, lovelies. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to smash the like button, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to see more unboxing, subscription boxes, and more. And also don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when I upload a video. See you in my next video, lovelies. Bye. Mwah.